Hello. Oh, okay. Welcome to Fav. Agadaga. Hello. Welcome to another episode. What we're doing today is we're actually basically going to do the front end. So we're planning to put the Serial 9 front upper control arms in. We're going to put the Serial 9 roll center correction in, and we're going to be putting in the HSD coilovers into this bad boy, just to get that front end all sorted and have it steering nice. Because when obviously you're making the car so powerful, you want to make sure it handles well, and you want to make sure it stops well, because cars can be dangerous. Oh, shit. So make sure that you stay safe when you're driving them. And we have some new parts that have come in. Welcome to Show and Tell with FAF Automotive. So, what we have here, thank you very much, 6 Boost. We have 2JZ GE exhaust manifold. Beautiful looking, very nice, copacetic, great for the vehicle, good to go. So thank you very much for this one, 6 Boost. We really appreciate it. If you need any 6 Boost, jump on FAF and we can hook you up. Haltech, the legends. Haltech. A lot of Haltech. So, we have here the Haltech IC7 Dash. This absolute beauty. You know what's crazy about it, and what I actually like the best about it, is it's heavy and it's cold and it's got some weight to it. So you know the quality is primo. The brain, this is the brain of the vehicle. We need brains, the vehicle needs brains. Haltech Elite, 2,500. Basically, this is going to power everything. This is how the engine is going to speak, how the engine will know what to say to itself, so we don't get caught up on the problems. But Haltech Elite 2,500, this is one of the best. Now Haltech just released a new Nexus, so we'll work on that one for the next one. But this was one of their best ECUs that they made. The 2,500 can pretty much control everything. You put some sensors in, make sure you know, I guess, what's going on in the engine. So when you are pushing that power, you're not going to be, leaning it out or too rich or anything like that. You have it so it actually knows what's going on at all times, so you don't just blow up the engine that you just spent thousands of dollars building and who knows how long as well. So perfect for you, Haltech. They got you. Let's go this one. I'm gonna save the best for last. This is from the legends at Ross Performance. This is Ross Performance's Gold Series harmonic balancer. This is one of the best harmonic balancers that I guess I would say is on the market. The reason that you upgrade these is when you are starting to make more and more power, you want to make sure that your harmonic balancer that's twisting the crank, all the belts of the front of the engine, you want it to keep up because you don't want it to break. Thank you, Ross Performance, for this bad boy. Check it out. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. This is from the legends at Plasma Man. They do not package the box like this. This is us. We got excited. Check this out. What? Check this bad boy out. So, Plasma Man has made us this intake manifold. This is actually especially made for the Lexus GS300. So there you go. So basically, this is this is a piece of artwork. Not only have they organised this for us, long way around, they have also organised us Plasma Man fuel rail. So this is also made out of billet. Same situation here. There you go. You got the fuel rail on as well. So check that out. One more bit. When you thought we'll finish,
but I'm still not done.
We weren't finished. There's more parts. So, Plasma Man has also organised us a throttle body. So this bad boy is a 72mm throttle body, made by Plasma Man. Got a throttle position sensor here on the right. Still cable driven because the car is cable driven. 100% power, 80% no power. So yeah, that's kind of what you got there as well. So yeah, thank you Plasma Man. They've really helped us out with this one.
This engine harness here right now, we're just going to start putting it back against the engine bay. I'm going to start fitting the body harness back as nicely as possible. It's all together with the engine harness, so we're going to try and separate it, and the engine harness is actually going to be rewired so we can hide some of the wiring underneath and make it look nice. As far as the body harness goes, we're just going to wrap it around nicely, maybe make it a little bit neater, and go from there.
We here at FAF Automotive are growing rapidly, and it's about time that we have our own space. So we used to rent out of a co-working space, and that co-working space works excellent if it's one person, maybe two people. But when the team has now grown up to about 4 or 5 people, that space for 1 or 2 people just really doesn't work anymore. So what we're doing is we're actually looking for a warehouse slash office space slash showroom space. So not only you can come to FAF Automotive and pick up parts, but we're basically just going to have a room or have an environment that's really really FAF Automotive. So yeah, we're looking. Stay tuned in today's vlog. We're gonna go have a look at a few places, see what's good, see what is not so good. We're going in the BMW. Here we are looking at another place. We will see how this goes. We're not 100% sure, but we'll all this work that we've been doing today, like this right now. Don't protect me. Yeah, so that was sushi. Rather delicious. Probably eaten too much. That's like always the standard. You know what's the problem when you go to sushi's and they're $3.50 a plate? You eat too much. Too much sushi. And then in turn, you're full. But not a problem, because we're going to look at another workshop.